This is going to be a video tutorial on how to disable web page pictures on the Brave web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Brave web browser opened up now. To disable web pages from showing pictures on the Brave web browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then in the center pane, you want to click on Site and Shield Settings. Then you will scroll down the center pane. You want to make sure that the additional permissions is expanded down to where you see the content area, and right down here, images. You want to click on images. At the very top it says sites usually show images to provide illustrations like photos or online stores or news articles. Right down below here, default behavior. By default, the top one should be toggled on. Sites can show images, but to turn that off, you toggle on the bottom one. Don't allow sites to show images. That is how to disable pictures from being displayed on web pages in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.